Curious about the meanings behind the cluster display and dashboard warning indicators in your 2025 Toyota 86? This guide unravels their functions, symbols, and alerts, helping you understand and manage your vehicle's crucial information effortlessly. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen display provides interactive controls, while the instrument cluster shows key vehicle information. Climate control system provides dual-zone comfort, maintaining ideal temperatures for both the driver and passengers. The steering wheel allows the driver to control the direction of the vehicle. A coupe shifter offers precise and sporty gear changes for an engaging driving experience.
Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators.
SRS warning light. Driver's and front passenger seatbelt reminder light. ABS warning light. Brake system warning light. High coolant temperature warning light. Charging system warning light. Low fuel level warning light. Slip indicator. Master warning light. Low engine oil pressure warning light. Electric power steering warning light. Malfunction indicator lamp. Open door warning light. Tire pressure monitoring system warning light. Eyesight warning light. LED headlight warning light. RAB warning light. SRH warning light. Automatic transmission fluid temperature warning light. RCTA warning light. Automatic headlight leveling system warning light. Gauges and meters. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.